Hola Marias! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be featuring Georgina in my channel because this is part 4 ng ating merch box unboxing from Weverse. And I've already unboxed this last episode, but now I want to film Georgina's expression, her reaction, and what are her thoughts about the Deco kit. Because you remember I purchased 2 Deco kits. One for myself and one for Georgina. Can you hold it for me? And if you're interested to know what's Georgina's reaction on the Deco kit, then please keep on watching. Maria, 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 Maria. Maria. Okay guys, so I will be sharing Georgina's reaction. I already shared with you my reaction with the Deco kit, and now it's her turn because one of it is hers. So, medyo hagardo pero nakaayos kami ngayon kasi we went to Kalawan. Georgina just changed. I just did some retouch and I think masyado maputi yung pulbo na ginamit ko. And kung meron kayong naririnig na tubig, that is fountain ng aking mga cats. So, are you excited?
Yes.
Seriously? She's been wanting to open it for how long now? How many days? You've been waiting for how long na? For too long already. So, ini mini mini mo, which one do you open? Do you want to open?
Yeah.
Which one?
This one.
Somebody is also excited. Sushi is also excited. Hi guys. Hi. She's also excited because she's a maritas, chismosa. So, slowly, we are going to open the box. So we are going to open it. Are you excited?
Yes.
So, ready? Open slowly, slowly, slowly. Here. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! So what can you see so far? It's wrapped. What is this? What is this? Who is that? It's my cats at the background. BTS. Okay, can you slowly open this one? It's nice, no? Can you slowly open? Slowly. Lift it. Lift it. Hold on. Careful. Careful. Oops.
What is it? I can open it.
Okay, open. Wow! Who is your picture? Show who is your picture. Who is your photo card? Who is your photo card, Anna? Who is that? Jin. Show everyone. It's Jin. Of course, I took who is it? Taeyong's photo and gave it to Ria. And she has, what is this? Notepad. Who is on the notepad? Who is that?
RM. It's my
RM. It's your bias. How about, what else? What else is inside the Deco kit?
In the picture.
What is that? Open that. What is this? Tape? Stationary tape. This is a stationary tape. It comes with how many tapes? Show them how many tapes.
There's 2.
2. Show them. Show your friends. 2. Right? So put here what you are already removing. Okay.
Yes.
So you have photo cards, tapes, and notepad. What else? Stickers. Show them your stickers. That's a what? That's a dog. Show the stickers to them. Here. By the way, happy Army Day. Today is Army Day. We're filming this Army Day. Today is 9? Yes, July 9. Wow. What else? This is also stickers, Anna. Stickers. And this is also stickers. Show them. Who are those? Show them. Who is that?
That's your boyfriend.
That's my boyfriend. Jimin is my boyfriend.
And it's mine.
Who's your boyfriend? RM. Rock Monster. Rock Monster. Kim Namjoon. Nice, no? Awesome. Next. Wow. That's the notebook. Show it to your friends. Here, show the picture of the BTS. Yeah, and there you go. Who are on the picture? There is Jungkook, Gemini,
That's your boyfriend.
of course,
And that's my boyfriend.
RM, Minyoongi. Who's that?
Zero.
J-Hope. Who's this? Huh? Who's that? Who's that?
It's you.
It's Jin. How about this one? Kim Taeyong?
Yes.
Should we open that?
Yes.
Open, open, open! Wow!
There.
There is your BTS book. Open. Wow!
Wow.
So many pictures of BTS. Who did you open first? Jungkook! Wow! RM! It's your boyfriend. It's your boyfriend. Who's that?
It's Jin.
It's Jin, Mommy's boyfriend.
Ooh.
Ooh, J-Hope.
Sure, Jin.
Like my J-Hope is my boyfriend also.
Ooh.
Next is Jimin, my boyfriend.
Yeah. I share it to you.
Of course. Thank you for sharing it to me. Oh, Jin again. Jimin again.
Ooh, who is that?
Ooh, Kim Taeyong. Wow.
What?
Pretty,
Another
no?
teacher, what?
Another Kim Taeyong?
It's actually seed.
Oh, Jungkook.
It's giving a juice.
Drinking a juice. Did you like it?
Yes, it's mine. Wow!
Wow, the entire group.
Another picture. What?
So many pictures, no?
Wow!
Wow, that's a big picture of RM. Did you like it? How about the other notebook? Aha, this is the one you're waiting for. Open, open, open. That's your notebook. Ito. Wow.
Look at this in the lock.
Oh, there's a lock. Where's the key?
Keys.
Key, where are you? Keys.
Keys.
Where's the keys? Nana, where's the keys? Keys, where are you?
Keys. Where are you?
Yun. There you go. It's on the other kit. Open, open, open. There you go.
Oh.
Show them your notebook.
Oh no, there's nothing in the picture.
Because it's a notebook, you will write something in there. So many on your school. Diba? Show them your notebook.
Where's the B?
No picture, anak. The picture is here. And then you will write there your drawing, your sketch. You'll use this in the school. And then I bought you Army Bomb ball pen.
What? Thank you.
Alright, that's it for your deco kit. Did you like it, anak?
Yeah.
What can you say about your deco kit?
Yes. Look, it's a sticker.
Did you like it, anak? Will you be playing with it? Will you be playing with your deco kit?
Yes, but there's stickers.
Yes, you will put the stickers here on the pictures and tape and all the stickers of our BTS. So I think that's it for today's video. Say thank you for watching our video and see you on our next one. Thank you for watching our video and see you on our next one. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Did you like it?
Yeah.
Which one is your favorite? I like the stickers and the tape.
Me too.
There's a dog in the stickers. Will you be using it to your school? Can I have the picture card?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, it's so sweet. Thank you. No taking back, ha? It's mine.
Yes.
Thank you. This is for Ate Gwen. I'll give it to Tita Gwen. Hi, Tita Gwen.
Hi, little man.
Thank you po.
Thank you,
Georgina, what did you open?
I'm surprised.
What do you call this? BTS Deco Kit. Slowly. Deco Kit. Thank you to Tita Gwen. Thank you, Tita Gwen. Because Tita Gwen helped Nanay buy all this from Korea. Annyeonghaseyo.